To succeed in large-scale continuous concrete pours, every detail matters. The key lies in the 3 Ps. Plan, prepare, proceed. Take an impressive example. 1,100 cubic meters of concrete poured in a single night. A fleet of mixer trucks, a synchronized team, and meticulous preparation. A good plan anticipates the unexpected: breakdowns, traffic jams, or unpredictable weather. Preparation involves precise tools: vibrators to eliminate air bubbles, screeds for leveling, and well-placed reinforcements to prevent cracks. Finally, on the big day, vigilance is essential: monitoring thickness, checking mixes, and ensuring perfect curing. Well-poured concrete means a structure that lasts. And you, have you ever been part of a large continuous pour?